Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, i-review natin itong dalawa kong credit cards from Union Bank. Actually, matagal ko nang gustong i-review itong credit cards ko na to, pero ngayon lang ako sinipag. So, ngayon lang tayo nakagawa ng video. Yung first ko nakuha ang credit card is from Citibank pa. Before yung acquisition ng Union Bank kay Citibank Philippines, nakakuha ko ng Citibank Simplicity Visa card. And after nung acquisition, pinadala na ko neto. Last year, pinadala na ko netong Union Bank branded na credit card na. Na-carry over yung mga features nung dating card pero binago nila yung pangalan and yung itsura ng card. So ang tawag na dito is yung Union Bank Visa U or U Visa. Pero same lang naman yung features. And ito yung itsura ng card. Wala nang credit card number and other information sa harap. Ang nakalagay na lang is logo ng card and Union Bank tapos Visa. After ko makuha yung Simplicity Visa card na yon, nag-apply ako for another Union Bank card. Union Bank na talaga siya. And ito naman yung Union Bank Visa Gold. Kaya ko siya kinuha kasi na-avail ko yung promo kahit na meron na akong existing na Citibank. Mamaya pag-uusapan natin yon. So before we talk about the things I like about Union Bank credit cards, let's start with the differences between these two cards. So let's start with this one, yung U Visa. Itong U Visa na to, ang features niya, wala siyang over limit fee, wala siyang late payment fee, and meron din 10% money back or cash back pagka binayaran mo yung at least minimum amount due mo during that month. So for example, hindi mo binayaran yung buo mong statement balance during that month, basta bayaran mo lang yung minimum amount due, meron kang 10% cashback. Pero ang downside lang dito sa card na to is hindi siya nag-earn ng points, which is different from yung isa pa nilang card, which is yung Union Bank Rewards Visa. Yun kasi, meron siyang annual fee, pero actually meron ding no annual fee promo. Pero yun kasi nag-earn siya ng points. That's it for this one. Ito namang Union Bank Visa Gold, nag-earn siya ng points. You can earn 1 point for every 35 pesos spend. And ito pang mas maganda sa kanya, meron din siyang lounge access sa Marhaba Lounge and Pugs. Di ko pa siya na-try pero soon pagka meron akong trip, I'll try this one. So yun lang yung differences nilang dalawa. Ngayon, pag-usapan naman natin yung likes and dislikes ko about Union Bank credit cards in general. Ang gusto ko kay Union Bank, marami siyang credit cards na no annual fee for life. Kasi super hassle talaga pagka tatawag ka every year to waive your annual fee. Pero itong dalawang cards ko na to, pareha silang no annual fee. So ito nga, no annual fee for life siya by default. And ito namang isa is meron talaga siyang annual fee. I think around 2.5 siya. I'm not sure about that. Pero around that amount siya. Pero at the time na nag-apply ako, merong no annual fee promo si Union Bank for this card. So talagang yun yung reason kaya ko siya kinuha. Yung another card na meron no annual fee for life is yung Union Bank Rewards Visa nga. No annual fee for life siya. Need mo lang mag-spend ng 20,000 in 60 days. Second reason why I like Union Bank is yung mga promos na. In my case, my favorite Japanese restaurant is Boteju. And tuwing may promo, talagang ginagamit ko yung Union Bank credit card ko kasi 50% off siya. Meron lang siya minimum spend na 3,000. Pero sulit na rin, di ba? Worth 3,000 yung makukuha mo, pero 50% off siya. So around 1,600 lang yung binabayaran ko kasi hindi kasama yung service charge dun sa 50% off promo. Pero bongga na talaga siya. Another reason why I like Union Bank is siya talaga yung madaming promo sa mga retail partners ni Apple. So pagka love mo yung Apple products, pagka mahilig ka sa Apple products, Union Bank talaga yung card na mai-recommend ko. Like last time nagtanong ako dun sa isang authorized retail partner ni Apple kung ano yung card na meron silang promo. Sabi nila Union Bank lang daw yung meron. And usually ang promo installment up to 24 months pero meron ding 12 months or less. And aside from that, meron din silang buy now, pay later. So, after ilang months, I think 2 to 3 months pa before mag-start yung first installment mo. And ito pa mas maganda. Meron ding promo si Union Bank na cash price yung babayaran mo, pero installment siya. Usually kasi pag kumuha ka ng item or ng gadget, iba yung price ng installment, iba yung price ng cash. Pero kay Union Bank, cash price siya. Mas mababa yung price na babayaran mo, pero installment mo pa rin makukuha yung gadget. So, super ganda niya. Meron din namang other banks na nag-offer ng ganyan. So, maganda rin yung other banks, pero para more chances of winning, maganda na meron ka ring Union Bank credit card. And another reason why I love Union Bank is meron siyang feature called PayDirect. PayDirect is a feature wherein pwede ka mag-send ng pera to other people's bank accounts and even e-wallets. Pwede ka mag-send ng pera to your business partners, family members, and even yung merchants na hindi tumatanggap ng credit card, or if tumatanggap sila ng credit card, mayroong charge. So, super convenient. And yung transaction na yun, wala pa siyang fee hanggang ngayon. And pwede ka mag-send ng up to 200,000 pesos per transaction, and pwede mo siyang gawin up to 10 times per month. So, super ganda talaga ng feature na yan to manage your finances well. So, yun lang naman yung likes ko. Let's move on to the dislikes. Actually, meron lang akong dalawang dislikes na masasabi about Union Bank. Yung first is about activation. Actually, nung nakuha ko tong card na to, etong Union Bank Gold Visa, nakailang try ako bago na-activate yung card ko. Tama naman yung information na nilalagay ko, pero nakalagay doon, we cannot activate it at this time or something. Basta merong notification na sinasabi na hindi pa daw pwede ma-activate yung card ko, or merong maling details na nakalagay, pero tama naman siya. Pero sa mga nakikita ko, meron talagang ganong problem kay Union Bank. So, isa siyang issue na medyo nakaka-bother. So, sana ma-action na ng Union Bank na maayos siya. Especially yung mga bagong Union Bank credit card holders. Nagtataka sila kung bakit ganon. Sometimes, inaabot ng weeks or months bago nila ma-activate yung card. If nakaka-experience kayo ng ganon, what I recommend doing is calling the hotline. Maganda na i-report sa hotline na hindi na-activate yung card para magawa ng action. Or possible din na i-ask sa hotline or sa customer service representative na i-activate na lang yung card via hotline para magamit na yung card. Yung second dislike naman is yung customer service nila. During the start nung transition from Citibank to Union Bank, talagang nagkaroon ng problem sa CSR ng Union Bank. Usually noon, pagka tumatawag ako, sobrang tagal ng waiting time. Dati mga 30 minutes to 1 hour nag-wait ako for a CSR na sumagot ng tawag. Pero buti na lang ngayon, maayos na yung CSR ng Union Bank. Pagka tumatawag ako, after ko mapindot yung tamang option, meron na agad na CSR na sumasagot. So in my experience, maganda na yung CSR ng Union Bank. Ewan ko lang sa mga ibang customers or sa ibang mga credit card holders. So yun lang naman yung likes and dislikes ko about my Union Bank credit cards. And if gusto nyo rin mag-apply ng Union Bank credit card, I'll put my referral link in the comment section below. Yung card na ni-refer ko is yung Union Bank Rewards Visa credit card. Just like what I've said earlier, meron nga siyang promo na no annual fee for life. Need mo lang mag-spend ng 20,000 in 60 days. Pwede nga siya for groceries, shopping, utilities, etc. And ito yung tip na maibibigay ko sa inyo. After nyo ma-approve, i-activate nyo na yung card. Usually kasi makaka-receive naman kayo ng email na approve na yung card nyo. And in that email, meron nakalagay na link kung paano nyo i-activate yung virtual credit card. Kasi yun din yung problem ng iba. May nagkaka-problem kasi na matagal yung delivery ng card. Pero pagka kasi inactivate mo na yung virtual card mo, magagamit mo na agad yung card. Pwede ka na mag-start sa spend mo para dun sa 20K in 60 days for the no annual fee for life promo. And if meron kayong questions about credit cards in general or Union Bank credit cards specifically, and if meron kayong video recommendations or suggestions or other cards na gusto nyong i-review ko, just comment down below or reach me through my social media accounts. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching.